Changing the planer knives. So these are toasted. You can see where I hit the hardware. Gouged it right out on both of them, of course, because they're both spinning. So I think there's enough. I think they can be professionally sharpened. There's enough gap there that it could be. You can see how much can be taken off and still can go on. And once they're sharpened, then you use this to set them back into these holders. And then they go back into here and get screwed in. It's a really nice setup. I don't know what the new planers do, but I think this was a groundbreaking planer at the time. But they might have all copied it since then. The good old AP-10 by Ryobi. Excellent. I would like to pick up another one of these, but haven't ever found one nearby. So they quit making them shortly after they started because they didn't get a good review. But then later on, they were considered in the top 20 or 50 tools for a long time. So can't go by the reviews all the time. I said right along when I first got it, I loved it. It's such a cool system for changing the blades. I had seen the older ones. They're a real hassle. But these are just made to fit. Okay, so I honed these down a little bit more. These are two I'd taken off before. So they have this holder. Also a nice little gadget. You put it in there, and then you can hone them down some. Assuming you don't hit any hardware. It happened to me like 2 times. I ruined a good set of carbide blades one time doing that. Okay, let's get these things in there. They feel pretty sharp. Let's get them in there and take these out. These are going to have to be sharpened. I'm pretty sure I cannot do this. I'll have to take them someplace most likely. But I have several sets, so I'm not even sure what my situation is here. Some of these I opened already. That one has a little rust on it, but it still can be sharpened. I think this one was never opened, so this was already sharpened. That one's good. So I at least have one more good set. That was